Gobble gobble, it is that time of the year, guys. Turkey time. On today's episode, you guys are in for a treat. I'm going to be showing you how I make my Asian style turkey. This is going to be a quick recipe. We're going to marinate and throw it right in the oven. So juicy. I'm your host Harris Pianobong, and this is Cooking with Mr. International. First, in a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of country crock butter. Next, add 1/3 of a cup of sugar, a half a cup of chicken powder mix, 1/3 of a cup of onion powder, 1/3 of a cup of garlic powder, and lastly, a half a cup of fish sauce. Give it a stir and mix it in well. We're going to be marinating this all over the turkey. Next, with the 11-pound thawed turkey, you want to remove any kind of packaging inside the turkey. Using a small knife, we're going to cut a little slit and separate it with our index finger, separating the turkey skin from its breast. Next, we're gonna rub the marinade all over the turkey, on top of the turkey and underneath its skin. Give it a good massage. Apply the marinade underneath the turkey skin. Flip your turkey over. You want to be sure that you marinate the back as well. Now, let's stuff our turkey, starting off with 1 cup of chopped lemongrass, followed by a half cup of minced garlic, and lastly 20 pieces of Kaffir lime leaves. Next, transfer your turkey into aluminum or roasting tray. Next, cover your turkey using non-stick aluminum foil. Leave a little opening on the edge of the aluminum tray. Next, to ensure that the turkey is cooked, insert the thermostat into the deepest part of the turkey breast. 165 is what we're looking for. Once that reached that temperature, we are done, guys. Remove the turkey from the oven and baste it one last time. We're gonna put aluminum foil on it and let it rest for the next 30 minutes. Bam! And there you have it, Asian style turkey. Look how beautiful that color is. Alright guys, let's go ahead and decorate it now.